Hey guys, welcome back. Today we vlogging, and today is July 27th, Saturday, and we are having a surprise 40th birthday for my husband. So he doesn't know, he just thinks we're going to his parents' house to have like a little cookout and just kind of hang out. I know you guys are probably like looking like that, he thinks it's a no party. I kind of overdo it. I'm known to overdo it, so it's normal around these parts. But anyways, yeah, so I'm gonna take you along this whole weekend and just kind of hang out, and yeah, so let's go to the party. Okay, we are vlogging. Happy Saturday. We are actually on our way to Leo's mom and dad's house. We're gonna have a small little barbecue for Leo's birthday tomorrow. So it's just gonna be like us. Yeah, so it's gonna be like Leo's mom and dad, his sister, maybe his aunt and uncle. I don't know. So are you ready? Are you ready to turn 40 tomorrow? Yeah.
That hurt my ear.
Here's what we could do, cause I'm not gonna let you slip away. I won't waste this. There's something about the way you fix your eyes on me. I can't help myself, fall in love, I go crazy. What you wanna do now? Should we head back to my place? When you give me that smile, I think my heart's turned up the pace. I don't care about what we do if I get to be with you. What you wanna do now? What's to be afraid of when we're young, stupid, and in love? When you talk or listen close, there's just something. No vale nada la vida. La vida no vale nada. About your voice, I think that every word you say to me is like poetry. I just want you for my own, it's really easy.
Vamos. Vamos. Sin
We'll get
miedo.
him around the other side.
No se cree. Ahora sí. Ahí están los puntos de acuerdo. Bueno, por nuestra parte, sí, todo compadre, esperamos que haya pasado bien a gusto.
At the dangerous stage.
You got it in your eyes too.
Wait, turn to the light.
Sophia jumped in. Did she really? She took out some animosity. You grounded me last.
Hey guys, good morning. It is now Sunday. It's the day after the party. I feel just fine because I did not have any adult beverages. Leo actually is feeling pretty good because, you know, he limited himself. But today's actually my honey's birthday. So happy birthday, honey. But yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and just kind of make this a weekend vlog. We are actually on the way to a flea market. So we were talking about this yesterday, and here we call them flea markets. I don't know why. And he said in certain places they call it swap meets. So I don't know what the difference is or whatever, but we're going to one. It's like basically a thrift store, a big one. So I'm gonna do a little vlogging. I have a few things I'm looking for. I have an idea on what I want to do for my Christmas decor, and I want to change it all the way up. And it can be expensive, so I want to start looking for all the things that I want, and I kind of have an idea. I would share it with you guys and stuff, but I don't want no one going ahead and stealing my ideas, because I was thinking real hard about this. Jeez. So anyways, yeah, we're gonna do a whole day too. We're gonna go with my mom's. My mom's making chicken scampi, which is not keto, but I am gonna show you guys. I'll probably just pick up something for myself on the side, but it's like a family recipe, and you guys will love it. And we're gonna do some swimming and have a cake and have a fun day. So happy Sunday. Spend the day with us. It's gonna be fun.
You're the best girl I've ever known. I'm not gonna waste this. What you wanna do now? Should we head back to my place? When you give me that smile, I think my heart's turned up the pace. I don't care about what we do if I get to be with you. What you wanna do now? What's to be afraid of when we're young, stupid, and in love? fix your eyes on me. I can't help myself, fall in love, I go crazy. What you wanna do now? Should we head back to my place? When you give me that smile, I think my heart's turning up the pace. I don't care about what we do if I get to be with you. What you wanna do now? What's to be afraid of when we're young, stupid, and in love? So go ahead and leave it. I don't know what's on your mind, and there's no way I can fix it.
Okay, so I went ahead, I showed you guys a couple clips. That flea market was very, very, very packed. And I mean, some people are a little shady too, so I was like, let me put this camera away. But I did find a couple things that I wanted, that I have my eye on. Some people there are just unrealistic, because you can kind of bargain, like bargain prices with them, but some people just like want way too much. And some of the things I was like, nah, I can keep looking and get a better deal. But since it's still early, we're gonna go ahead and run to the Goodwill, because they are open on Sundays. And then I think we're just gonna go ahead and wrap that up for a day and go home. It is very, I'm like sweating to death. It's very, very hot out here today, so we're gonna go swimming to my mom's. So we're gonna go hit the thrift store or the Goodwill, and then, you know, do some fun summer stuff. But I can't wait to show you guys the things that I picked up. I got 3 different things, and they're really cool, really old, like vintage and shit. So I'm excited. But all right, let's go to this Goodwill, see what they got. I got a couple of things in mind of what I wanted, so hopefully I like them. Okay, so I wanted to show you guys what I picked up. Look at all these bottles and stuff that he got for his birthday. Anyways, so this is the first thing I got from the flea market. So it's just this Pepsi crate. Let me take these things out. Hold on. All right, so yeah, I got this Pepsi crate, which I really love. I'm gonna look for a couple more. Hopefully I can find ones that have like Coca-Cola and stuff like that. This is going to be a part of my Christmas stuff, so let's see if you guys can guess. And then Leo found this for me, which you guys kind of see me looking at. It's one of those old school cameras, and I thought it would be just cool just to have on my, like my desk or something like that. I don't even know how it'll go. Maybe something like this. Jeez, I don't know. But yeah, I thought that was really cool. So we got this and this, I think, for 10 bucks. And then I found this at the flea market. I think I paid $2 or $3 for it. It's a copper horn, again, for Christmas. I'm on the hunt for a bunch of these. And then at Goodwill, I found a bunch of these copper candlestick holders. Again, I need to get some more, so I'm on the hunt. I want like different sizes, you know, so for like a tablescape. But yeah, I picked these up. I think these two were $1.99, and then these ones were 99 cents. So I picked all those up. And then for the girls, because they're going back to school, I like to like look at the clothes for them, you know, and I found a couple jeans for Rhea. Let me show you. These are, I don't know, 1822, I don't know, like high-waisted skinny jeans, and these were $5.99. And then I found these Kinsey doll ones. These are the high roller, high waist ones, like brand new, priced at $5.99. So I got those for her. And then I looked for Sophie, but I couldn't find anything. You know, it's like hit or miss. And then I found these Children's Place jeans for Rebecca, and they're like a dark wash, you know, skinny jean. And these were $3.99. Then I found another pair of Children's Place ones for $2.99 for Vicky. So just in case, you know, there's a cooler day or whatever. So just for her to wear to school. But yeah, all right, that's it. I'm gonna go ahead and get some stuff done around the house, and then we're gonna go to my mama's. All right, this is Mindy's chicken scampi. She says I can't give out the recipe, but basically this is just some fried up chicken, and but it's fried chicken. It's breaded chicken, fried. Okay, it's delicious. And then right here,
don't get.
Mindy's one of them old ladies who don't be sharing her recipes, but that's the butter sauce that has garlic and lemon that she's gonna put over that right there. And then right here she has.
That's literally the recipe. Stop.
No, it's not. It's not as easy because you have to figure it. And then she cooks her pasta. But this is like my mom's.
Go get your father and tell him to take her ass out of here, because she ain't even invited to this party, right?
This is literally the best meal of my life. Delicious. Delicious, delicious. I will never recreate this recipe because my mom doesn't want me to share it, but I don't make it as good as her. I've tried many times. My mom makes it the best. But
let's call the father.
So it's so good. So good.
I don't wanna stay here, no. Ain't gonna keep it low now. If you wanna go, let's go. Let's wrap it up and hit the road. I just got an awesome vibe, striking the winner post now.
I wanted to show you guys what my dad gave me. So I guess this is another camera. Oh, I guess maybe this is where you would look into it. Or, I don't know. I gotta figure out like how do you do with it, but I guess it's a camera. So anyways, he gave that to me because I told him what I found today. And then he had this. And I told you guys I was kind of a hint on what my whole theme is going to be for Christmas this year. So if you guys kind of are catching the drift on what I'm doing, we're going to spill some secrets, you know. Yeah, so that's it.
It's not ready.
You got to show all the juices, man.
No.
Jeez, you see me with your spoon here?
You know, because you make it this while the breadcrumbs and everything come in. And the lemon. And the garlic. See?
Ooh, Mindy, look at that, honey. We won't share your recipe, Mom. No worries. Because they still can't get it like you got it. And then what do you have on the... That's just pasta up there, right, Mom? Or what's on there?
Olive oil.
It's just...
Garlic, olive oil.
No. Like in the pots. What's in the pots?
Pasta. Olive oil.
And then you make garlic... And then you make garlic bread?
Butter. And,
Mindy got
Parmesan
some skills.
Cheese.
All right. So this meal is actually a very long one to make and prepare, because usually you have to cut up all the chicken breasts and you individually bread them. Like you dip them in egg, then you bread them. So when I was a kid, this was like my mom would make it only like once in a while, but we would have to make so much because everybody would want some. So she only, I mean, we would only make it maybe what, 2-3 times a year, Mom?
My baby boy's birthday.
For her baby boy's birthday. So anyways, this is really good. It's nice and crispy, and then it has that sauce on it. It's really, really good. I mean, you could probably make this keto and do like pork rind breadcrumbs, but I don't know how good they would be. I mean, there's really, if you're gonna eat it, you might as well. And then, yeah, so. All right, I'll show you how it gets all plated up too when she does it, but it's the best meal ever.
What did you say? What are you doing now?
I'm showing them your food, Dad.
Ooh.
My friends on
Oh, good.
But anyway, so this is how it looks all plated up, Mom.
Privacy?
No, Dad, you're not eating it.
That's up to your mama.
So she puts the chicken on top with a little bit of the sauce, right, Mom?
Want to go
Oh
do
my
some
God, she's
fire?
filming again. I'm gonna hide my face.
You're not in it, Dad.
Going back to work tomorrow.
Oh, it's those trick candles, huh?
Why
Oh, are
should
they
I
trick
saw?
candles?
Jesus, it's like it's a great.
Come on, guys.
Fire.
Okay, so we are home now. I'm gonna go ahead and take a shower and relax. Take a shower, relax, maybe, I don't know, do a face mask, you know, just do those things. So hopefully you guys liked hanging out with us, you know, kind of spending the weekend. It was kind of an exciting weekend, I guess, because, you know, the birthday party and then we went to my mom's. We don't really have these weekends often, you know, we're kind of pretty much low-key people and just do a lot of the same thing. So yeah, But all right, guys, I love you. Thanks for hanging out with me. And yeah, I'll see you on the next one. Bye, guys.
I don't wanna stay here, no. Ain't gonna keep it low now. If you wanna go, let's go. Let's wrap it up and